No one wants to help you, Carol. Swinging! 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 Oh no, it's still recording. No! You gotta jump, Carol. You gotta jump. What are you doing? Sure. Whatever. I don't want to jump no more or swing no more. That was pretty sweet, not gonna lie.
No, Dawn.
I'm recording.
I don't care.
I don't care if you care.
No.
Yes. Well, no one cares about your butt.
I got a potty.
Well, then go. You come here. Ah! Is it on video? Oh my God, you fogged it up.
I fucked it up?
You fogged it up.
Oh, help me. Oh gosh, this is a little wobbly.
Can't see. I got it.
You got a picture of my butt?
No. Now I do. This is going on YouTube, sweetheart.
Uh-oh.
I had to do that one.
I was.
So, my fat nose was hanging out.
You're gonna fall.
I'm coming. I'm a little bit dizzy.
Hey, that's where you went.
Come on now.
Oh, let's go, Carol. Whoa, we're spreading her legs. Getting ready for Jacob.
No.
Jacob.
It's wet.
Walk the dry route.
Nuh-uh.
Yep, that's what you do on a normal basis.
Whatever.
You spread your legs on.
Oh my God!
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No.
Oh my God!
This is so fun. This is the funnest playground I've ever been to.
I have the idea first.
No joke.
Go.
Ow!